how to set the sound equalizer to normal, pop, classic, jazz, or rock on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, then swipe down at the top, and then tap on the settings icon. Next, from the settings page, scroll down, and then tap on sounds and vibration. Then in here, we scroll down and tap on sound quality and effects, and then tap on equalizer. Now in here, you can choose between normal, pop, classic, jazz, rock, or custom. So select one of the preset here, and then tap on the back key to go back to your menu, or tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.